Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if you're new. I'm Catherine from A Perfect Place to Start, and today's video we are going to be creating some really easy Dollar Tree Valentine DIYs. So let's jump into the video and get started. In today's video we're going to be using wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. These are the blank ones. They have two sizes and we're going to be using both sizes in today's video. So for our first project we're going to create this super cute plaque that I saw on Pinterest. We're going to use one of these boards. We're going to cover it in some antique Waverly wax. Once that dries, I'm going to go ahead and dry brush some acrylic paint over the top. This is just antique white. Once I have that dried and we're ready to go, I'm using a paint marker. My paint marker came from Hobby Lobby, and all I'm going to write is you plus me and then a line, and underneath the line we're going to write us. Now I felt like this was a little empty, so I took one of these really cute hearts from the Dollar Tree. You can find these in the Crafter Square area. I'm going to glue that down at the bottom, put my husband and I's initials there, use a little ribbon, and voila, you have this really cute and easy Valentine DIY. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Video we're going to take one of these wood blanks and we're going to do a little bit of an abstract painting here. So we're going to cover it with some antique Waverly wax. We're going to let that dry, and then we're going to use our antique acrylic paint and we're going to cover that with a dry brush coat. Once that is all dry, we're going to do this technique that I saw on TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and use some paint up at the top, and we're going to draw two lines. We're going to take our scraper. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. It's like a Cricut scraper, and we're going to just go all the way down with our paint down the piece of wood. We are going to make two lines here because we're making some tree branches. So then we're going to take our scraper and we're going to put it back in the paint, and we're going to make some little pieces that are off to the side to look like branches that are sticking out. Now you can put as many or as little as you want here. Once that dries, then we're going to go ahead and add a heart here into our tree. So I didn't have a really thin paint marker, so I was trying to use a Sharpie. That didn't work, and so I went ahead and used the paint marker that I had, but I didn't like how that looked. So instead, I took one of these little hearts from the Dollar Tree and I went and wrote my husband and I's initials into the heart, and then I hot glued that into the tree section. I decided to add a few lines to make it look like some birch trees, and that is it for this simple project. I really like how this turned out. It's a little abstract-y, but a little like modern art too. I just really love it. Let me know what you guys think about this one. For this project, this is another really simple all Dollar Tree project. We're going to go ahead and take one of these square wood pieces. We're going to cover it with antique Waverly wax and a good coat of dry brushing. Once that is all dry, I'm going to take my paint marker. I measured these. They are 5.5 by 5.5, which is kind of a weird shape. I was trying to go for three even spaces because we're going to make a Tic Tac Toe Board here. I finally just gave up and eyeballed it because I was getting frustrated. But you're going to make a Tic Tac Toe Board, and then once I have that, I'm going to just draw some X's and O's around the board. I want to have a straight line or a sideways line, however you're going to do it, of 3 empty spaces like a win. I'm going to take 3 of these hearts that I have from the Dollar Tree. I like these wooden ones the best, but they have all kinds of options, and I'm going to glue those in a row. And that is it for this simple project. I really love this one, and anybody could make this one. So if you wanted to make it with kids, this would be kind of a cute like Valentine gift for maybe their teacher or something like that. But this is a really simple one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. If If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit the like button right now. It really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. I saw these envelopes kind of going around TikTok and I thought that they would be really easy to make. So I took 2 pieces of the boards, one long piece and one of these shorter pieces. Now you could do the front of the envelopes too. I might do that at a later date, but for now I just went ahead and did the backs of them. We're just going to cover them with, one of them got covered with antique Waverly wax and the other one got covered with the antique white acrylic paint. Once that's dry, I go ahead and dry brush, reversing the colors. So the antique wax one was a dry brush with the antique white acrylic paint. That was a lot of antiques in there. And then the one that was covered with antique white acrylic paint was dry brushed with the antique Waverly wax. Woo, okay, so once that is dry, then we're gonna go ahead and draw our envelope shapes. Now, if you don't want to do the bottom lines to make like that envelope shape, you don't have to. You can just do the envelope at the top, but you're gonna draw 2 lines to make the envelope. I went ahead and did the bottom lines. And then I tried out a couple of different hearts. So I wanted to use those big hearts from the Crafter Square section, but they were a little bit too big for this piece. So I went ahead and just used some of the hearts I had from Dollar Tree. Those come in a bigger pack of several different hearts. I went ahead and glued those down to where you would put the envelope piece, and then I went ahead and added my kids' names and up at the top, and then on one of them I added I love you and the other one says love mom. I love how these turned out. They're personal and you can customize these for anyone. They make a cute gift or just decor around your house. Let me know what you guys think about these. For this project, we're going to take one more of those square blocks, and this time we're going to cover it with some pink acrylic paint. Once that dries, I went ahead and dry brushed it with the antique white acrylic paint. Once that is totally dry, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and my paintbrush. I'm just going to paint a heart in the shape of, or a shape of a heart in my Mod Podge. Once I have that on there, I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to dip it into this gold leaf. So I got this gold leaf at Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I really love this. I made a Christmas DIY with it as well. It's really fun to use and really easy. All we're going to do is take our paintbrush, dip it into our like gold leaf, and we're going to put it around in the heart shape. That is it. You can add as little or as much as you want. I love how this one turned out, kind of a glam look. Let me know what you think about this one. At the end of the video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you want to keep on crafting with me, check out these 2 videos next. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!